Hey everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in with a brand new unboxing. This is the Seriously Caffeinated Cardmaking and Craft Kit from White Rose Crafts, and we are dropping this just in time for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. It will literally be going on sale March 19th, that is Friday, and it's available for pre-sale now, and it is a pack crafting kit filled with all kinds of crafting goodies. This is the stamp set in the crafting kit from Picket Fence. It's got 2 different sentiments on it and a gorgeous 4-cup coffee image. This is a really fun kit. Here is the paper in the kit. It's from Echo Park. It's 12 sheets of double-sided cardstock. So it's one of those paper collections that you're going to have to be picky and choosing on which ones you use, or at least I am, because I like to hoard my paper, and when it's double-sided I get very anxious about which side I'm using. Maybe that's just me. I don't feel that's just me. I feel like we all, like when we have double-sided paper, we get very territorial on when and where we use the paper. However, the paper is gorgeous. I'm loving the colors in it. So yes, 12 sheets of double-sided paper from Echo Park. Then there are 6, count them, 6 different card frames for this kit in a variety of sizes and colors. There's a baby card, which he's so cute. This is smaller than the traditional A2, it's brown. This is an A2 with thick cream. And then it's pink, black, and white. And they're all come with a coordinating envelope, and it's just nice to have a variety of sizes of cards to play around with. Next in the kit you get some of the adhesive rhinestones. There's 2 sizes in the pack, and these are those really good ones that actually stick when you stick them down. There's a really fun chipboard piece in it. This is called, here, I pull it out, there we go. It says coffee because adulting is hard. And I'm actually going to hold off on using this in any of my cards. And I'm going to make a full mixed media project using this, with this chipboard being the center theme of it, just because it's fantastic. No, I'm very excited about having this fun chipboard in the kit. It's different than what's normally in the White Rose kits. You get a mini ink pad. This is Kaiser Crafts pigment ink, and it's beautiful olive green. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the exact name color of it, and I don't think I ever did, but it's olive green. It's a pale, pale olive green. Like all pigment inks, it's got the big squishy ink pad, but I love it because you can ink over white, craft, black, anything shows up. It's a nice versatile ink, and it's got really good crisp inking ability, or stamping ability. So like if you fill your stamp pad, it comes out nice and crisp. But yeah, real pretty green color. Coordinates very nicely with the ink pad. Not the ink pad, coordinates very nicely with the paper. So you go, there's the ink pad within the kit. Next we have some washi tape, and this washi tape sticks really, really well. And it's got a metallic accent to it, so it's got some really cool reflective quality. I don't know, it's fun for washi tape, and there's a ton of it on the spool. You also get some ephemera from Echo Park that matches and coordinates perfectly with the paper. And it's a variety of sizes and shapes, and it's just really fun. It'll make card making super easy. I'm sorry, again, I'm like all the fun things you can do with all these different ephemera pieces. I like the variety of sizes. I think the sizes are what makes the ephemera most fun. There's a Picket Fence stencil. I'm a stencil junkie. I don't know about you, but I love a good stencil. And this cup of coffee with its steam rising, practically, like, do some good inking on this and you've got a card yourself. So excited about this stencil. You can create backgrounds, you can create foregrounds, you can pull out gel press and go crazy. Finally, there's a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers that coordinate with the coffee pack from Echo Park. And it's got a little bit of everything on it, and yeah, it's super easy for your crafting needs to just pull out a sticker, plop it down with some paper, and you've got it magically a card. So there's the kit. Once again, it goes on pre-sale today, March 17th. It goes on sale officially March 19th, and we will actually be giving away one of these kits for people who participate in the Coffee Lovers blog, Hop. So, a year ago it sold out, not a year ago, 2 years ago when we coordinated a kit with the Hop, it sold out within days. So, definitely don't wait on this one. And we can't wait to see what you're doing. Many of the design team members are playing with it, so stay tuned all week to see all different kinds of projects using this kit. Until then, happy crafting.